Hi, we are JR Media Institute. We offer a range of courses from degree to diploma at both graduation and post-graduation level. Established by Punjab Kesari Group, which has legacy of 75 years in the media business. Students get a unique opportunity of on-premises training in both theoretical and practical professional skills, helping them achieve high level of placements in prestigious media organizations. We provide a 100% internship facility to our students. Students trained from our institute are working in many renowned media houses such as Aaj Tak, India TV, News India and many more. We provide courses like BJMC, MJMC, PG Diploma in Broadcast Journalism, PG Diploma in Multimedia, PG Diploma in Reporting and Anchoring. So in diploma courses, we will start with PG Diploma in Broadcast Journalism, where you can explore the dynamic world of journalism with our PG Diploma in Broadcast Journalism course. From honing storytelling techniques to mastering video production and live reporting, students gain hands-on experience under the guidance of industry professionals. Similarly, the Diploma in Reporting and Anchoring. This course typically covers areas such as news writing, video production, and on-camera profession techniques. Students learn how to gather information and effectively communicate news stories.